We'll guide you through how to delete your Amazon account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you no longer want your Amazon account. If you no longer really use Amazon, then you want to go and have your account deleted just so it's all gone. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Just remember, when you go and delete it, you are going to be losing your data on Amazon, so your order history amongst other things as well. But if you still want to go ahead, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So come to the Amazon site and make sure you're signed in. You can go and sign in the top right here. I already am because it says hello, Rob. So I can hover over here at the top. Now what you want to do is come down and find the option for your account in the list. Click there. Now what you need to do is go and scroll down this page and you want to come and find the option manage your data. Here it goes and says close your account, so you can go and click there. Then we can go and enter in your password. So I've got mine saved, making it easy, but enter yours in. Now what we can do is go and wait. What you need to do is go and read this through carefully and understand you'll be permanently closing your account and deleting your data. So read this all through and you're going to see different services here as well. What you can then do is go and see here that it's going to be a permanent action. So make sure you are sure. You can go and give a reason like so. What you can then do is press, yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. You can then go and press close my account. Now to go and confirm this, you need to go and click on the link in the email or text, and then you can go and verify it to close your account and delete your data. So you can check there and go and click on it and go and get your account deleted. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again with another how-to soon.